There's a hidden camera on this desk. Can you spot it? Well, I couldn't, until I looked through my new hidden camera detector from Utobang. Now I can simply turn on my detector, scan the room, find any hidden camera lenses, or wireless signals. And this detector comes shipped to your door, ready for you to scan your area as well. Inside the box, you have your user manual, a charging cable, a lanyard, and then your detector. But before we start testing, we're going to charge it up using the charge port on the back. After it's charged up, you can power it on using the toggle on the side. Then you have 3 buttons on the front. On top, there's the WL button, which is your signal detection. You could cycle through the different sensitivity levels between 1 and 4. You could slowly move around the room to suspicious areas and scan for wireless signals. The device will make a sound and become faster and louder as you approach the signal. Next, you have the vibration alarm button. If you long press this button, your device will enter defense mode. The indicator light will blink green for 10 seconds and then be ready. Then if any vibration is detected, an alarm will sound. Then you can push the button again to silence it. With this, I can attach my lanyard and hang it on the doorknob or window. Now if someone was to enter, I will be alerted and can be ready to greet the intruder. And it can stay in standby mode for up to 10 days, so it will keep you safe for a while. Lastly, you have the infrared detection button. You could press this and turn on the infrared lights on the back of the device. They will start with a slow blink. Then you can click the button again to increase to strobe mode. And if you press again, you'll have a constant infrared light. Then you can look through the viewfinder and search for red glares. By toggling it on and off, you'll notice slight differences to the area and can investigate suspicious areas further. As you can tell, we can see a camera hiding in the houseplant. And then if you look at the clock, there's a hidden lens on the inside. There are so many different types of hidden cameras. They can be in smoke detectors, in outlets, pens, keys, and so much more. Not to mention, they have super tiny cameras that you can tuck away anywhere. So if you're a traveler and staying in places that you're not familiar with, you might want to consider a device like this. You can make sure your area is secure and protected on so many different levels. I know that I'll be bringing it with me on my trips from now on. So till next time, I'm off to go pack this up and put it in my travel bag. See ya.